got it.
When I was working with Don at the machine shop, one came in there.
Oh, very cool.
He was doing it.
The timing just read this.
And I don't know whether it was a welding to the point.
Yeah.
You guys brought it in?
I don't know.
There's the guy, his last name Ken, his first name, Bill was doing,
They've got one lately.
he basically took two of the old aluminum good coaters. He welded them
You know, when I got that,
Inline,
in line.
Oh my God.
Comes in, he goes, oh, what's
so
up?
he made it 16 inline.
Oh, no way, really?
Right now I can tell you, he's building two Corvette LT1s.
Well, how did they
How does it
how
all
did they
connect?
transfer the power crankshaft to crankshaft?
Welded together.
Oh, he welded the crankshafts together
Welded
too.
together,
Run a drive system.
I've seen some deals where they do like a hub drive, you know, to inline stuff, but you can't put them right together. There's got to be a little space to
yeah.
put
These are
them.
actually welded together. I haven't seen the Buick one, but I've actually seen the new one, the new Corvette LT1 one that he's got going.
Where are you guys from?
Granite Falls,
Up north.
Marysville,
Okay.
just north of that, because we're actually moving to Marysville, we were in Granite Falls, and we're moving to the office right now.
You have your, you see the video? You have the camera with the video? This is yesterday running?
Oh, you guys have been.
Yeah, they were at a rate deal yesterday.
Passed away and he sold out the farm.
Oh, August 8th, 2009. I guess you were.
Yeah. Bill Bellham. Got to meet you, sir.
Yeah, I was there back in '89.
So you guys were there and you got the T-shirt.
Knock on doors were.
Yeah, that's all they gave us.
And, drove home for that one. And,
This is everybody, our newest John, this is his second time running throttle, so. That's just taking our time. Go and I ran it. Do a double tap.
There's no cooling. There's no cooling system. So it's like right between that.
Yeah.
Horsepower, I mean, that's awesome. You're not gonna ever get that anything better than that as far as.
No.
That's it. I mean, what can you do? You can beat horsepower anymore. What's it gonna gain you? I mean, more, well, I don't know. I've asked you. I'm not saying.
It's a, just with anything as far as, the little saws, the chain. You have maximum speed and everything for, just keep throwing chains.
Yeah.
If you got too much RPM, the chain just can't handle it, or you're gonna strip the sprocket because it can't handle it. Same with our scenario, you get too much horsepower, you got too much chain speed. Torque. Chain torque, being, chain is the weakest link.
So you said we're working on some stuff for you.
Yeah. So it's a matter of trying to find, where's that breaking point?
Maximum.
Where's
Torque,
that
power,
maximum?
400, we know that 11 BC chain is good for 400 horse.
Yeah.
Anything after that, we don't,
Is there anything to hold up?
we don't know yet, exactly.
So with our new saw, it's gonna be, well, we might have to detune it a little bit.
Anticipation is about 430.
Do you think you might get 430 horse?
Dissipation.
For anticipation,
Oh,
the way
anticipation.
the specs the way the saw was built, that's what we're kind of looking for. So, might have to detune it a touch to fall back in there because when you're doing stuff, there's obviously a element of exposure to something called statistics.
Huh. You hit RPM just as it's starting to touch, right?
Actually, I'm bringing it up as we're kicking it.
Okay.
The whole inertia factor and the energy.
Sure.
Instead of just a dead lift.
Sure.
And Natalie hasn't got enough time on it because you're picking it with 4 fingers here, thumbs on top of the kill switch. Each operator has a kill switch. Anything, or yourself, or you see any surroundings, you just shut it down. And throttle a person, of course, the cradle here with the other four, and the thumb.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Big weight, not just, you know, it's like that,
it's 200, 270, 275.
yeah.
You know, that you're picking your